This is Townsend Street, which is within walking distance of the centre of Haslingden, and it's a location that's proving to become increasingly popular as more and more people are moving further north of Manchester, where they seem to get more value for money. Now, the house that we're going to be taking a look at is a traditional stone-built mid-terrace property, and it's presented in walk-in condition. I think if you're a first-time buyer, it's an absolute no-brainer, but also if you're a buy-to-let landlord, you can't go wrong with something like this. Now, in terms of the actual location, what I like about this property is the fact that it's not overlooked to both the front and the rear, and that's unusual with a terraced house like this. But Townsend Street itself leads down towards Haslingden St Mary's Football Club, and the current owners tell me that it's a great location to just hop over, sit outside in the sun, and more importantly, enjoy a beer while the kids play around on the grass. Stepping through into the kitchen, and it's a much bigger space than I was anticipating. There's plenty of space for a large dining suite, as you can see. You've got loads of work surfaces there in the form of an L shape, but you've also got this entire bank of units on this wall as well. You do get access out to the rear yard from here, which I'll show you shortly, but my favourite part about this room is the views that you get from this rear window.